Hi guys, today's video is very important and keep watching these videos because these are based on awareness, not commercial videos. So hair fall is a main problem in everywhere in the world. So I'm telling you only one thing today about purchasing a cheap hair transplant. There is no concept of purchasing cheap hair transplant. Once you are purchasing cheap hair transplant, you are actually buying an expensive hair transplant for yourself because cheap things always create problems, and to get them solved you spend a lot of money on them, and to fix them up you spend a lot of money. So cheap hair transplant, buying a cheap hair transplant is actually you are buying an expensive hair transplant. As in common words you say, cheap is never sustainable. Cheap things never sustainable. So keep in mind, you will buy expensive things once only, but for cheaper things you need to go to the market again and again to fix them up.